hearing about the Inflation Reduction Act and this potential 15% minimum tax on companies. What is your take on this latest proposal?
Look, I think it's an excellent proposal for the American people and for employment in America, but particularly for tackling the very high energy costs. There's nothing better than increasing the power supply, increasing the energy supply, and America simply hasn't been doing that, where it's got such a massive advantage, and that is in renewable energy, that is in green hydrogen. It could become a huge producer. It could really help massively increase the power and energy supply to North American consumers, therefore bring the price down. But the best part about it all, it's going to bring employment up. Countries who are very friendly, like North America is appearing to be, to investors like us, will attract investors like us. We are capable of putting billions of dollars into the green energy and green hydrogen industry, employing tens of thousands of people. That's what we want to do. And if North America brings this bill through, then that's what we will do.
Is it enough, though, Andrew, or is it just a good first step? Because we've talked before about the need for the shift to renewables in the United States, and it does appear to be that there could have been a little bit more meat on the bone.
Look, I think it's an excellent first step. I mean, there is serious inflation across the world. West Virginia is both going to attack inflation by increasing the energy supply and attack unemployment by increasing investment, by increasing employment. People all throughout West Virginia, Wyoming, all throughout North America, they're not married to fossil fuel. They're married to employment, they're married to a lower cost of living, and they're married to a higher quality lifestyle. So these are the things which this bill can help drive through, really driving green energy to a position which could make America a green energy, green hydrogen superpower. That would be fabulous for North America, for every North American, but of course for the world as well.
In terms of your own investment vehicle for green energy, how much more does this mean that you can invest right now into the United States, and people that you speak to can now invest in the United States, seeing as if this does get through, the signal that it sends that, you know, the administration is really getting serious about this shift into renewables?
It'll get started with tens of billions of dollars, and then if it keeps on going, it will grow to hundreds of billions of dollars. It'll get started with thousands of employees, particularly in the coal mining areas, who are looking at losing their jobs, nothing to do with green energy. Coal's just becoming less and less competitive. All those coal plants can be reconfigured, those gas plants can be reconfigured, and people are not married to coal or gas, they're married to employment, they're married to communities, they're married to supporting their families. That's what this bill can do. It can really repurpose all those facilities, give them a future and permanent green energy life, as opposed to what they're looking at now, which is very uncertain and potentially short life in the fossil fuel sector alone. We need both. North America needs both.